a foreigner in the Philippines, this is a testing of the new cell phone of Manang Lina. Very nice. Pila yung palit? Ano man na? 1,000. It's an Oppo and it's 7,000 pesos. It's Oppo A3s. A3s 1.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
The camera is supposed to be good.
Yeah, it's very good. And I look so beautiful. And you look so handsome.
Well, I must be.
Nanay, kasi mo ingon nanay? Mabalit mo kang cellphone kaya mag-Amerikano ka? Yeah, it's very good. It's 7,000 and this is the qualification. It's an Oppo, it's a brand of cell phones. Oppo. Oppo in Tagalog is my door. Let me see if it's open. It's open now.
Close.
Oh, I'll continue this video because it's a testing on the new cell phone of Manila. Yeah, very good. I'm gonna sing, okay? Because we have a video key here. See that? I'll find a new song that I know. And I don't have a lot of pimples now, as you seen, because of this camera, this phone. My pimples is high. Kahit na sinasaktan ako, naiiyak ako dahil sa'yo, hello pa rin ako. Baliw sa'yo. You sing, darling. Kahit na of the new phone of Manang Lina. Please like, comment.